Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2014 Ram 3500 Laramie Crew Cab. Under the hood we have a 6.7-liter i6 Cummins turbo diesel engine and a 6-speed automatic transmission. This guy's in black. It looks great. You do have the black grille on it as well, with your projector style headlights and your fog lights down there with your tow hooks. Coming around the side here, we do have our 20-inch rims with our Wrangler brand tires, Goodyear Wrangler brand tires. They look great, lots of tread left on them. You do also have your heated exterior tow mirrors right there. You can lift those guys up like that. You can see even farther back. It got the turning signals on it as well. Along the bottom there, you do have your running boards. And coming all the way around to the back, you got a massive 8-foot box. You do have your backup camera there, as well as your parking sensors. You can open it up right here. Tons of room back here. Looks fantastic. It also has a spray and box liner, so nothing will be getting scratched up. Okay, we have our keys here. 2 presses to unlock, 1 press to lock, and 2 presses to activate our remote start. Especially nice in the winter, get it nice and warm for us, or in the summer, get it nice and cool for us. Now, it does also have proximity keyless entry, so if the vehicle is locked, you just gotta put your hand in there, it will unlock for you. Plus, you got the button there if you want to lock it. On the door here, you do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks all right there. As well, you got a bit of chrome accenting, some wood here, a handle here, some storage, and more down here. Looks great in here. The leather seats are very nice and comfortable. You do have the controls over the seats right here, so backward, forward, tilt, lumbar support, and seat memory. And then up here we do have the controls over the lights, so we have our auto, off, daytime running lights and low beams, as well as fog lights right there, and in-cabin light control here. And then right up here we got the controls over the turning signals, high beams, and windshield wipers. Let's start up here, foot on the brake, press the button, and it starts right up for us. Now in the center here we do have our speedometer and our odometer, as well as our fuel gauge and our engine temperature. We also have our transmission and our oil life up there. And then in the center it does tell us how many kilometers we have, as well as it does say which direction we're facing and the temperature outside. Now you can switch that around a little bit to our vehicle info, fuel economy, trip A and B, as well as you got your trailer tow options, your audio, stored messages, screen setup, and back to your speedometer. Now that is controlled from right here with your voice recognition and call out button. Horn in the center and your cruise control options right there. Over here we do the gear shift, just like that. And when we are in reverse, we got that ever useful backup camera right there, keeping you nice and safe. You do have an 8.4-inch touchscreen display here, so you got your AM, FM, and Sirius XM all in there, as well as you got your media tabs here if you have one hooked up through USB, aux cord, Bluetooth, or SD card. Controls over your heated and vented seats and your heated steering wheel. Climate control here. It is a dual climate system for you new passengers, so you can have different levels of hot or cold. Navigation here, so if you hit view map, you can see we are in Rec Place. Our phone options, as well as the settings. Down here we got the control over the 2-wheel, 4-wheel lock, and 4-wheel low. And then over here we do have the controls over the volume, the mute, screen off, hazard lights, back button, tuner and browser, AC, circulation, heat up and down. You also have your power, off, auto, front and rear defrost, and then down here you have your trailer brake, you have your traction control, tow and haul mode, your exhaust brake, as well as your park sensors, your aux buttons down there, and you do have some storage here, here, and some cup holders. You also got your armrest, doubles as a storage container, coin holders right there, as well as a USB, aux cord, and SD card slot there. Some room down here, lots of room. As well over here you do have your top and bottom layer, looks great. And then you do have the control over your sunroof, the little window in the back, and the universal garage door opener. And there's our sunroof, looking awesome. Let's take a look in the back, open this guy up. On the door here you have that same chrome accenting. You got the wood accenting there, control over your windows, a handle here, storage, and more down here. Looks great in here. The leather seats are very comfortable. Same material as the front. As well, you can fold this guy down. You got an armrest with some cup holders. And then you can also fold these guys up like this. You got some storage underneath there. There is a subwoofer on the other side. Fold this down like this, and you do have a flat surface to put stuff on top of. Over here, you do have heated seats for the people back here. And you can also fold this guy up right here, and you do have some storage under there. And there's our 6.7-liter i6 Cummins turbo diesel engine. Well, that does it for my walk-around video of the 2014 Ram 3500 Laramie. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to one of our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.